Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your world explorer. Right now we're looking at a cashew apple. It's June 30th, 2022. This particular tree in the yard is the only tree that seems to be producing cashew apples. So I'll keep this video short and sweet, but dang, look. I just want to share my enthusiasm with you. And look how big these cashews are getting. This thing only produced 3 cashews last year, but this year it seems to be throwing them off all over the place. I'm getting really excited because look at that. That's a beautiful cashew. Like, let me explain this to you. This is the apple right here. Okay, let me focus in. I'll zoom in, give you a better idea. This is the apple, and it's growing. This is the cashew. The hull on the outside, inside is a hard shell, and then there's a seed inside of the shell. So it's really amazing. But the seed grows first, and then the apple. Really awesome. Let's look for more. This thing is loaded. This year we have a bunch. Look at that. That's incredible. Look at all those. They're all over the place. Oh yeah, look at those apples. They're getting a little bigger. Now, I tasted the apples from last year. I'll be honest with you, they were different. It caused my my mouth to pucker and feel kind of like textury and dry. It was weird, but the juice was sweet, no question. It tasted good. It just made my mouth feel strange. So I don't know if I'll be eating the apple again. I guess I got to do it a few times to really start to like it. But you know, people in other countries, they season the cashew apple before they eat it. So maybe I got to do that. I don't know. But this thing is really growing them. My motivation for growing these is to produce the seeds. I want to be able to sell viable seeds. And you can't easily get a hold of viable cashew seeds in the United States. Really, really challenging. But here we are. I've actually successfully germinated several seeds and produced these trees out of them. These cashew apple trees. So hopefully this year we get some viable seeds. And we'll go through that process. Oh no, one of them died. That's never pretty to see, but whatever. Yeah, there's plenty of them. Anyhow, folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow. And stay tuned as we'll keep you updated on the progress of these cashew apple trees through the year. Have a good day.